Here we have from Canyon Adventure Vans, the tray that fits in the Sprinter right here. This is an unboxing video. I've never taken this out before. I have no affiliation with this company. I just thought the product was cool, and I thought I'd make a video on it so we can all see together how this product works and looks inside a Sprinter. Okay, looks like one piece, no assembly. Nice. Okay, I guess it goes this way. Yeah, one piece. Yeah, nice machining, no galling, no abrasions. Okay, it's got a little rubber piece here, so it probably doesn't scratch up the dash. It's got a lip on it, which is awesome. Keep things on it, and I'm assuming, yeah, it's tight, but not too tight. You can't push it in there. Yeah, squeeze it together a little bit, yeah, and then get that underneath there. Yeah, I'm pretty stoked about this. If there's one thing the Sprinter needs to copy the Ford Transit environment, where you have cup holders everywhere and places for clipboards or cell phones. So yeah, totally have enough room still here. This is over 8 inches right here from the top of this, so you still have enough room for a nice water bottle. And then I have this tray here for coffee cups and whatnot. And now I have this tray, and I still have, I didn't know if it was going to block this too much, but it does not. This is, you know, barely a 1/4 inch going in here, and it's super strong. So you still have these trays in this. So yeah, I give that an A+ for Canyon Adventure Vans. Thank you for making my Sprinter have more accessible storage space.